Hello everyone, today we're going to be recreating Selena Gomez makeup look that she posted on Instagram, and we're going to be using the True to Myself eyeshadow palette. So if you have it, grab it and let's do our makeup. Alright besties, let's begin. I will be starting off by using, this is their eyeshadow primer. I'm just going to place it all over my eyelid. Under her disguise, I'm just going to use my index finger and blend it out. And all they told you trying to score. That blend was effortless. Alright, so let me show you this beauty. This is brand new. Look at all these gorgeous shades. When I saw this eyeshadow palette, it reminded me of a crescent moon, and of course I immediately thought of Sailor Moon. Have you guys watched Sailor Moon? Comment down below. So the first shade here is called Undeniable. Then right here we have Genuine. Then this shade right here is called Passionate, Accepting, Loyal, Positive, and Pure. I mean, the names are so pretty and so motivating, right? We love a good eyeshadow palette that motivates us. So I'm gonna start off by blending out Positive right there. Let's go ahead and blend Positive all over our crease like so. So I like to blend the shadows on my crease, and I take it a little bit higher up close to my brow bone, like right here. Okay, perfect, beautiful, positive, you're looking cute. And I'm going to go ahead and use this shade right here called Passionate. I'm just going to buff that into my outer V. Beauty goes much deeper once you. And we are just following along, recreating Selena Gomez look. Make sure you blend that in nicely. So I already blend my outer V in both of my eyes, and we're trying to recreate this look right here by Selena, the queen, Selena Gomez. Let's go ahead and use this shade right here, Undeniable, and I'm just going to use this flat brush. Now I'm not even gonna wet my brush. I'm just gonna apply it from my inner corner to the center of my eyelid. Ooh, you guys, she's pigmented. Oh my gosh, she's pigmented. Oh wow. Oh, I'm in love. Oh, I'm in love. This shade, you guys, it's so beautiful. So I got too excited. With this flat brush, I'm just swiping the eyeshadow like so, and now I'm just gonna do little dabs right here so it blends seamlessly with the darker shade that we initially added, and then we're gonna go back and fix it so it blends more and more seamlessly. Oh, she's undeniable gorgeous. No pun intended. Undeniable, that's what this shade is called, this gold shade. She is so pretty, I can't. And now we're gonna go in and use this shade right here called Accepting. I'm tempted to use my fingers, you guys. It looks like she applied this gold shimmer shade just on the center of the eyelid, so I will be using my finger on the center of our eyelids. Wow, this is definitely a glam look. Look at the glitter. I am loving every bit of this eyeshadow palette. Yes, I am. I feel like my finger picked up the right amount of glitter here to apply on the center of my eyelid, so that's good. So let's go back and use Passionate again with the same brush that we initially used, and apply it on our outer V again, a little bit closer to the center of your eyelid on your crease so that everything blends seamlessly. Alright, now look how gorgeous my eye makeup is looking. True to myself. Now I'm just going to be lining the eyes. Alright guys, the eyeliner is done, And in Selena's photo, she's not using any falsies or anything like that. So grab any mascara that you have and start coating your lashes. Lashes done. So by looking at Selena's picture, it looks like she used just a little bit of something brown, either a brown eyeliner or this shade right here. I actually use called Passionate, and she just barely applied it on her bottom lash line, really close to my waterline. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Now let's coat our bottom lashes. It doesn't look like Selena has any blush on, and so I'm just going to use the Benefit Hoola bronzer to warm up the face a little. Okay, referencing back to Selena's photo, it doesn't look like she has any blush on, so I'm just moving on to the lipstick. This one's by Iliabeauty. Referencing back to Selena's photo, it looks like she has this mauve, glossy, lippy lipstick on, or lip tint. Not sure what it is. It's like a lip balm. To achieve the glossiness on the lips, I will be going with M Cosmetics Morning Dew. I'm just gonna apply it on the back of my hand because I don't want the applicator to get dirty, and apply the product with my finger and just add some, like a little gloss to it. And we are now done recreating Selena Gomez makeup look from Instagram. What do we think? I think we did great, guys. I'm loving this eyeshadow palette. Shall we create more makeup looks with this palette? Let me know in the comment section down below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click the notification bell and follow me on Instagram. I will see you on my next video. Besitos. Bye.